Now the topic is secondary industry. There are mainly two types of secondary industry. The first is manufacturing industry and the second is construction industry. Students, first of all, what is secondary industry? Secondary industries include all those economic activities which are related to conversion of raw material into final products. For example, cotton industry, textile industry and cement industry. And there are mainly four types of manufacturing industry. First is analytical industry, second is synthetical industry, third is processing industry and the fourth is assembly industry. First, what is analytical industry? The industry in which raw materials are analyzed and separated into different finished products is called analytical industry. For example, crude oil. From crude oil, after analyzing it, we get different types of product like kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG gas, lubricants, etc. The next type of manufacturing industry is synthetical industry. Students, in synthetical industry, two or more than two materials are combined together in manufacturing process to get a final product. It means in synthetical industry, we mix two or more than two ingredients in a certain proportion and get a new product. For example, cement industry and cosmetic industry. The third type of manufacturing industry is processing industry. In processing industry, a product passes through various stages to become a final product. Means, when a product passes through different process for become a final product, it is called processing industry. For example, sugar industry and paper industry. And the next type of secondary industry is assembling industry. What is assembling industry? In this industry, different components are assembled to make a new product. Means, in assembling industry, we assemble different parts of a product and get a new product. This type of industry is called assembling industry. For example, automobile industry, TV industry, etc. The next type of secondary industry is construction industry. What is construction industry? All those industrial activities which are engaged in construction activities. Means, in this type of industry, only construction activities are performed. For example, building, construction of road, construction of overbridge, construction of tunnels, etc. are called construction industry. The third type of industrial activity is tertiary industry. What is tertiary industry? Tertiary industry is also called service sector. Means, a type of industry which promote the industrial activities of primary industry and secondary industry is called tertiary industry. Student, tertiary industries provide different types of services to primary and secondary industries. Those services are transport, banking, insurance, advertising and warehousing. Without these facilities, primary industry and secondary industry not functioning well. So, tertiary industry is also important for the proper growth of primary industry and secondary industry. And students, remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next class. Thank you.